So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is gonna be the second day of our series. Like we'll call it "Learn How to Trade from Zero." Yeah, learn how to trade from zero. So the second episode for that, and yeah, today we're gonna talk about how to use TradingView. So I'm gonna do everything from the basics. So first you go to the TradingView and then click on TradingView and then just sign in over here. You can just sign in. I'll just continue as my another account. I usually use another account. And this is basically what you get when you're entered into a TradingView account. So I'll go to search. I'll click on search and then I'll type Apple. So you click on the launch chart over here. So you get the chart of Apple stock. Right now it's running $248, I guess. So this is the chart of Apple, and this is what you call as time frame. So when you click on this one, the one candle represent one day. So this candle represent 1 days of price action. So this is called time frames. Okay, we're gonna talk about it more later, but this is time frame. So usually for forex trading, we'll go for 4 hours, 1 hours, and 5 minutes and all those time frame. So this is 4 hour time frame. This is 1 minute time frame. Okay, and you scroll up, you drag up to zoom it in, like from here to here. See, just drag it to zoom it in, and then you can drag the x-axis to zoom it in as well, zoom in and zoom out. So this is how you adjust. First, when you directly click and when you directly go for 6 month chart, it might look like this. It might look so confusing. So you just come here and then drag it down, drag it down, drag it down, then just adjust it. See, this is how the Apple stocks chart is looking like. So, and you can see a lot of tools over here. So I'll just go to Euro USD, which is a forex pair. Okay, Euro USD or else XA USD. This is forex for gold and US dollar. I'll just launch this chart. So right now it is going like this. So I'll be looking at daily time frame for now. Yeah, daily. You click here and then go 1 day. And you just adjust the chart here, dragging here and here. Okay, then drag it, like you can push it out. And this is called volume, which I am not going to use. So I'll just click here and see here. This is, I'll just delete it off. This is an indicator. So this is basically, you can get the indicator from here, this place. This is the time frame. This is used for indicators. And you click on indicators, and if you want an indicator, just select it. But we won't be using much indicators. There's one indicators which I might use. It's called VWAP. We'll talk about it later. So basically what we need right now is these tools. So you click on this. If you want to draw a line, you click on this and then click and click. This is called a trend line. This tool is used for drawing trend lines. And if you click here and press delete, it'll delete. Okay, so you just click on this arrow. You can actually add it to your favorites so that it'll come over here. See, trend line is a useful tool, so you can add it on your favorites. And then there is, I'll give you some tools. Okay, just add these tools on your favorites. And then horizontal line, this is also kind of useful. And then horizontal ray, it is also really useful. And then vertical line, you just click on the stars. If you don't want one of these, like for example, if you don't want horizontal rays, you just unclick it. So I'm explaining it in a really basic way, so uh, so that people who don't understand can actually get it. So yeah, and then you click on this and you delete it if you want. And then we'll search another tool. So Fibonacci retracement and all those things, this is also a good tool. If you want, you can keep it. You just keep it for now. And then Ganbox, I'll use Ganbox, but I'm not gonna add it now. So these two are really important. This is long position tool and this is short position tool. So if you want to go long, which we will talk about it later, you just click on here and then add your stop loss. This is for stop loss and this is for take profit. See, this is how everything is gonna look like. I'm gonna delete this. You click here and delete. Okay. I think you guys are following me, I guess. Okay, so this is how you delete it, and then you control Z if you want to, undo things. And then, yeah, that one and short position tool. These are really important for us. And anchored VWAP, I am gonna use it in the future. We will talk about it in the future. And then there's another important tool. This is really important. This is called rectangle. This is the tool where we use to mark the fair value gaps and all those things. See, like this. So people, for first timers who are into tradings, you'll see these graphs and you'll be like, oh, where do you get this? Where do you get that? I'm here for you guys. Okay, this is how. These are the only things which you need for trading. These are the only tools which you actually probably need for starters right now. So the tools are uh, the trend line tool, the horizontal ray, the vertical line, Fibonacci retracement. You won't be using this that much in the starting, and then long position tool, short position tool, and rectangle. These are the main tools which we are gonna use. I don't remember any other things which is. Let me check if I missed something. Uh, no, scale is. So yeah, you guys, I'm giving a homework for you guys. You just open a TradingView account, then you just, put these things on the favorite list because these are the things which most of the traders will be using a lot. So use this, put it in the favorite so that these things will be here. You can move it around as well and check, change the time frames 10-minute time frame and see when you go from one day to 10 minutes it'll look like something like this. Okay, you might not figure it, you might not see where it is. Okay, it might look like this. You have to drag it up. You just click here and drag up, and you just click here, drag up. This is how you save time, or else you can just scroll it also, but for small movements, but it's kind of you know hard. And you can right click on it if you want this to go to the left. You can click on scale to the left so that it will come here. So I usually use it over here. These are personal preferences. If you want to change the color of the graph, you can right click on it and then go to settings and then change the color over here. I am putting blue and what else? What will be the other color? I'll go for blue and black because blue and black is cool. I'll go for blue again and black, black. You can adjust the opacity also of this. So I'll go for this blue, I guess. Wait, blue and black. Hmm. See, so that you can change the color according to your wish. Bigs, I'll go for black or gray. I'll go for gray. I'll go for gray for this one because it might look kind of complicated, I guess. See, you can see the changes over here. See, you can change the graph. Right click and then go to settings and then change these colors. If you want blue candle, just go for blue. This will be the up candle, the green or blue, usually the green. it'll be like this. So the blue candle is for the down candle. I'll change it to this black. See, green and black. I feel like green and black is pretty cool. Or else you can go for green and uh, I usually go for blue and black. Yeah. So and the wicks I'll go borders I'll go for black, black, black. And then the wicks I'll go for this. See, and this both I'll go for black. So okay. So now my personal chart is ready. Now you can do it on your own. So your homework is you don't have to do this color changing thing. Just figure out the tools. You click on one here and then click on this one. So this is a trend line. And if you want a support, you can use a horizontal ray or horizontal line. I think I unticked the horizontal ray line. Yeah, I'll just keep it over there. Yeah, see, this is a support. See, this is how you should draw. And you can also change the color of the line. Right click, just click on the line and then change this to a color which you want. And even the size of the line. Basically this. So what TradingView is this is not usually the place where most of the people put their trades in. This is usually used for analysis, okay? So we don't enter the trade with this. We just mark our setup. That's what I do. There are different people who enter the trade as well. So yeah, this I think I covered almost everything which is needed for TradingView. And you can also put alerts. Alert in the sense you can just click alert and just give a price range. For example, if I want an alarm to ring after this price. If it goes up this price, you just click on this and then price you click on greater than or or else you can click on this side. This is the alert box. I'm sorry for that. I thought this was the alert. You click on this, the right side, right tab, and then click on I'll create alert, and then you put greater than, and then you put the value greater than this value. So I'll be giving the value as 4901.16. Even the point value matters a lot in trading, okay? So don't round it off or anything. So just click on create. Now there is an active alert over here. So you don't have to necessarily sit and watch the chart always. You can just create a alert and then you can wait when the price moves above this or there's a different alerts. You can also put add an alert which goes if the price goes below this line, for example, below this line, I'll get an alert in the sense what is the price over here. You can just click on it so that the price will be appearing over here. This is the current price which is running and this one is the line which I put. So 11 more minutes for this candle to end. You can see it over there. I will talk about that in the next video about candles and all those things. These are candles. So I'll talk about it in the next video. So I think I covered everything. So this is how you create alert. So you don't have to sit and wait for the graph to come to your setup. You can just hear it. You can play games. You can do whatever you want. Just be mindful of the sound which is coming. That's all. So this is all you need to know. And also there's one more thing which you need to know about the indicators. So if you want to add a VWAP, V volume Okay, for example, volume indicator. If you want to add a volume indicator, just go click on volume, then click on this. See, the indicator is active. This is not a premium, uh, you know, TradingView account. If you have premium TradingView account, you can actually back test. Like if you have seen in a other YouTube video, you could have seen the people just moving this and playing it back again. So that is this replay button, which is a paid feature which you can't use right now. And for your homework today, you have to go and play around with the tools. Like try to mark a gap over here, try to mark a vertical ray. This is the time window. This is the time axis, time and date. See, Friday, 20 March, 6 p.m. This candle was formed, and this is the price at that time. So this is basically how you use TradingView. So just go and draw around, play around like you have been using the Microsoft Paint. So just play around with this. So this is basically everything, literally everything you need to know about trading. So whatever other YouTube videos you've watched, I feel like this is way easier. You just need this. You just need to find the tool which you need, and then if you want to put it here because it'll be easier, and you can move it around as well. And then drag. These is where the time frames are: 6 month time frame, 4 hour time frame. See this. So yeah, that's basically it for today's video. This is the basics of trading. I mean, trading view. So I'll give it as a basics of trading view as the title of this video. So yeah, uh, I'll be posting in next video. I guess I'll talk about candles, or let's see what will what will come into my mind. Okay. So yeah, basically that's all. So thank you. Do subscribe if you are new to trading. So you will understand a lot more than whatever channel you are gonna watch in the YouTube. I am covering from the basics. If you have completely new, I'll make sure you reach at the point where you understand what people are telling in the YouTube video. First, if you directly go to the YouTube video, they'll be like, oh, equilibrium, uh, fair value gaps, these kind of things, liquidity, and you won't understand anything. I'll teach everything which you want to know, so that even if you don't like my YouTube video, just go and watch others. But this is the basics. It's like you going from kindergarten. I'm taking you from that level. So you don't have to worry about any other YouTubes or any other things. I'll teach you every single concept, which is not every single concept, whatever I know. I will teach you only whatever I know. So that we can actually trade together. I'll show you how the real situation of a trader is like. If I'm not profitable, I'm gonna show that. If I'm losing how much money, I'm gonna show that. If I'm blowing an account, I'm gonna show that. If I'm gaining $100, I'm gonna show that. Everything I'm gonna show it transparently. So unlike any other YouTube video, so this is basically completely for you know the beginners. So just I hope it'll help you guys. So that's all. So please do subscribe.